In this video, I'm going to show you how to do foundation single crochet. Foundation single crochet combines the starting chain and the first row of single crochet stitches into one step. Instead of making a long chain first and then crocheting back into it, you create the chain and the stitch at the same time. Many crocheters like foundation stitches, especially if they're making a project with a long starting chain like a blanket, because you never have to worry about having too few or too many chains. They're easier to count, and once you get the hang of them, foundation stitches can be easier than working your first row into chain stitches. Before we get started, if you enjoy simple step-by-step crochet tutorials designed for left-handed crocheters, consider subscribing. It's completely free, and tap the bell so that you don't miss future videos. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. My tutorials are in US crochet terms. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook and medium weight yarn, but you can use whatever hook size and yarn you have on hand. Start by placing a slip knot on the hook and then chain 2. We're now going to work into the first chain that we made. That's this chain here. Insert your hook into that chain, picking up 2 loops so that you have 2 loops on the top of your hook and 1 loop on the bottom. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Now yarn over and pull through only 1 loop. That creates the chain portion of the foundation stitch. You'll still have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That creates your single crochet stitch, and you have completed the first foundation single crochet stitch. Let's take a closer look before we continue. At the bottom, this section here is your chain portion, and at the top is the single crochet stitch. Each new stitch will be worked into the chain portion of the previous stitch. To make the next foundation single crochet, insert your hook into the chain portion of the stitch you just made. That's this part here. Insert your hook under 2 loops, and you want to make sure that you only pick up 2 loops. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop only. That creates the next chain portion. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That completes your next foundation single crochet stitch. Let's do that again. It would be very easy to insert your hook into this space here, but that isn't the chain space. You can tell because you'll have picked up more than 2 loops. Insert your hook above that space into the chain portion under 2 loops only. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. We'll continue a few more times. Insert into the chain portion, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through both. And again, insert under both loops of the chain portion, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. Let's take a look at our stitches. Across the top, you can see the V-shaped single crochet stitches. And along the bottom, you can see the foundation chain that was created as we worked. One of the nice things about foundation single crochet is that it tends to have more stretch than a regular stitch. It's often used for projects like hats, garments, cuffs, or anything where you'd want a flexible edge. It can feel awkward at first because you're creating 2 parts of the stitch at the same time, but after a little practice, it becomes much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, a thumbs up helps other left-handed crocheters find it. And if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.